Hey everyone, I'm extremely happy to announce that my brand new course, Essential Git and GitHub with project management and version control is out today. Now I tried to pack everything that you need as a beginner or intermediate web developer, it doesn't matter if you're front-end or back-end, to learn and understand version management and version control and start collaborating or contributing or just working on your own projects using Git and GitHub in this course. As always, at course launch, please find attached your coupon codes for lowest price possible. Now, please just ignore this price right here. You're going to find the coupon codes down in the description. And with this being said, I'm going to leave you with the presentation to the course, where I'm going to go through over who this course is for, what you're going to learn in this course, and each and every chapter. So, have fun with the presentation and see you in the course. Hi there! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Norbert. I am a self-taught web developer, a content creator, and a teacher. And this is my course on Git and GitHub for absolute beginners. In this course, I will teach you two essential tools that each web developer, sooner or later, needs to know in order to become a successful developer and collaborate with others. And that is Git and GitHub. In your career, regardless if you're a freelancer or work at a big company, the possibilities that you will collaborate with others on one or multiple projects are pretty high to almost certain. Even if you go full lonely wolf and don't want to have to do anything with anyone, you still need some sort of backup, redundancy, version control, and remote repository system. Now, these systems need to be put in place in order for you to keep your work safe, updated, and accessible from anywhere at any time. No matter if you're just getting started with web development or if you're applying for a web development job, or maybe you just need to refresh your memories on Git and GitHub, version control and version management are core skills that each developer needs to know. For years now, the best tools on the market for version control are Git and GitHub. And they also are the most popular version management and repository systems. Also, the synergy between Git and GitHub makes them a reliable source for remote work. And then combine them with Microsoft Visual Studio Code will increase your development speed by multiple factors. Now, maybe you're asking yourself, is there any prior knowledge required? No, there's absolutely no prior knowledge required. I will guide you in this course from a complete beginner with absolutely zero knowledge on Git and GitHub to be confident and efficient when working with version control and version management systems. Okay, so I hope you're excited for this course and you wish to learn Git and GitHub, and if you do, then please come along with me. By taking part and completing this course, you will learn the following: essential Mac and Windows terminal commands for accessing files and directories using the Mac terminal and the Windows command line, also known as CMD. You will also learn to create and delete files and directories, flag files, copy, rename, and remove files using the Mac terminal and the Windows CMD. Then in the following chapter, you will learn what Git and version management actually is. I will teach you how Git works, how to install it on Mac and PC, depending on what you have. Maybe you have both of them. Then I will take you through how to create repositories on Git, then how to add, commit, and log your commits to a Git repository. You will also learn what branching is, how to create branches, how to merge branches, and how to delete branches. And if you wish to ignore certain files and directories, then Git ignore will come to help. Now, after you familiarize yourself with Git, we will move on to GitHub and remote control. In that chapter, you will learn how Git and GitHub work together, then how to go from a local repository to a remote repository, basically moving your repository to GitHub. And then when you are on GitHub, you will learn how to create an account on GitHub and also your first remote repository. After having an account, you will learn how to connect and push to your remote repository, also log your push history and your branches. Then we will go a bit deeper and learn about remote and local tracking branches. After that, you will learn how to track branches and also how to create a local to remote workflow. But not only that, you will also learn how to create from a remote to a local repository by learning how to clone repositories. Then having your remote repository on a local base, you will learn how to create an upstream for that repository. And then of course, when we're done, we will learn how to delete branches and commits. After that chapter, things are going to get more and more interesting. You will learn how to collaborate using GitHub and how the collaboration works within GitHub. By learning to collaborate, you'll learn what the difference between a public and a private repository is, how to change public to private and back, how to fork repositories, and then how to create pull requests, accept pull requests, and merge different branches with the main branch. Of course, you will also learn how to add remote collaborators to your repositories, how to contribute to open source projects and repositories. And then you're all said and done to move on and create your very first website. And yes, Git is not just a hosting platform for repositories, it can also host websites. We will have a specific chapter which will teach you how GitHub pages work, how to create a website using GitHub pages, what is the static site generator, and how to create a static website on GitHub, then how to add multiple pages to a website, and of course, publish and unpublish a website using GitHub. And what is a course without real-life projects? One of the projects will be how to create and contribute to a model landing page repository. And basically this website will remain public for everyone who wishes to contribute to it. And then we'll move on to the blockchain, to the Barneycoin blockchain. And please keep in mind, this is not a real blockchain, but this will be a perfect example for collaboration. Now this will also remain public for you to contribute your block to the chain. Now please remember, take breaks, have a cup of coffee, drink sufficient water, have fun, and see you in the course.